a story there, an exclusive.
Yeah.
Eyeing divorce millions.
Yeah.
Appeal court has a shocker.
Yeah.
Especially now that we are
Yeah.
commemorating International Women's Day today.
And this is very controversial issue, Michael, and I will tell you why it is a controversial issue. The contribution of women in the marriage union is usually not quantifiable. And therefore, in this article, when Justice Patrick Kiage says that once their love life is over, each marriage partner should walk away with the share of what they contributed.
Question is, how do you quantify
How
what
do
they
you
contributed?
quantify? Because usually the contribution of the woman is in kind. And it is in so fundamental ways, such fundamental ways, that even quantifying it in terms of money is difficult.
It's difficult and almost an insult.
Almost an insult, yeah. Yeah. So when you say what you contributed, what does that mean? And how do you give back the woman her life? Often, she has contributed her life. My mother quit her job and became a housewife to bring us up. We are 5 of us. How do you quantify that?
It's impossible.
She gave up her career, she gave everything.
Impossible.
Everything. So one day, wake up and tell her, you will get back what you contributed. How do you even quantify that?
But having said that, Prof, because majority, and what this story is talking about is coming into it thinking in terms of 50-50.
Yeah.
You cannot quantify it, but even if you went 50-50, it's still not fair. It's still not a fair division.
It's still not a fair division.
Yeah.
Page 8 of the Standard is